Hey, if you're suffering, please listen to me right now. If you are suffering with chronic symptoms from brain fog, lack of energy, pain, fibromyalgia, thyroid disease, diabetes, autoimmunity, and hundreds of other inflammatory health issues, please listen to me now. If you want real dramatic health results, then you need to find your root causes. If you don't know the underlying root causes of your disease, that's exactly why you have your symptoms. You are sadly leaving your health and your life on the table. You are being left behind in the evolution of medicine that is available at your fingertips today. You are missing out on the latest science that can bring freedom from all of those upsetting symptoms. So please listen. Because with the latest medical discoveries in precision root cause healthcare and the AI driven methodologies, scientists now have the real root causes that you desperately need. But studies prove that the latest medical science is 17 years ahead of what your doctor knows. Oh my gosh, that's 17 long years. That's why most people are still stuck in their illness. But I'm here to give you awesome hope today. Hi, my name is Dorinda Smith, and you probably know me as the Autoimmune Geek because I'm just a little bit different than your average chiropractor or MD in holistic healthcare today. I am one of the few medical scientists who are also licensed in precision holistic healthcare. I am a research immunotoxicologist. I'm specialized in autoimmune disease, and my PhD fellowship was specialized specifically in chronic illness and autoimmunity. But even more so, I myself suffered with 7 severe autoimmune diseases for over 14 years. But I used the latest root cause science to reverse and to heal. Now, this makes me a true medical detective, and I'm on a mission to share with you the truth. And my team and I have helped thousands to find their root causes and feel dramatically better. Using the latest medical discoveries and the state of the art testing that, guess what, your doctor doesn't even use yet, we will find your root causes and teach you how to take decisive action to correct them. You are finally going to be the CEO of your own health, and you are going to achieve remarkable results. No more being stuck in an incurable disease. We are going to find your root causes within just a few weeks of working with us. I promise. This is true root cause healthcare, the way things are supposed to be done, right? We use the latest medical discoveries and the protocols that your doctor probably hasn't even heard of yet. We work at the genetic level, the cellular level, the metabolic and mitochondrial levels, the hormonal level for precision, prevention, and longevity. We determine the real underlying reasons for your chronic inflammation and your tissue damage and all those crazy symptoms. We find and correct the biologic and the environmental toxicities, the invisible infections, the gut microbiome imbalances, the pathogens, the overgrowths, all of it. And we find those missing cellular deficiencies at the biochemical levels in the brain, the gut, the thyroid, your hormones, your joints, your pancreas, your liver, your kidneys, and your entire body to bring back vibrant energy and beautiful health. So please trust me. Symptoms and disease have very real underlying bottom line root causes. They are not in your head, and it's not all stress. And the meds that your doctor is peddling to make big pharma rich are only keeping you sick. They may help 1 or 2 symptoms, okay, but they are scientifically proven to make your underlying root causes worse in the long run, and that's why they carry a big long list of side effects. Now, this is insanity, and don't you agree? So, if you want real scientific information, if you want a real scientist and a medical detective on your healthcare team, if you want to finally know why you are sick instead of settling for that incurable label, if you want to get off the multiple meds roller coaster and stop all those crazy side effects that is literally making you worse over time, yeah, you got to stop that insanity. If you want to take real action and you want to remove those root causes once and for all and prevent future illness in yourself and your family, if you're just done with our broken, corrupted, and downright backwards conventional sick care system, well then, the latest science of precision root cause healthcare is here for you right now. And you know, what I find as a scientist is that most people just don't know what they don't know. Most people are still suffering in illness that are now known to be both preventable and correctable. So people continue suffering due to lack of knowledge when others are getting amazing results. And you know, this really breaks my heart. It's my passionate mission to teach you the truth after healing myself. You really can correct those root causes, and you really can feel so much better. So let me ask you this. How does finally feeling 60 to 100% better sound to you? If you give me just 30 minutes, my team and I are going to show you exactly how to achieve your very best health results and transform your life. Now, we've set aside a limited number of these free scientific evaluations for you, and these are done directly with me and my team to see how we can help you. And when you book your call, we'll also send you our free step-by-step cellular transformation training so you can start learning how to get your health back right now, today. We're going to teach you the truth. And if we're a good fit to work together, we'll give you an action plan to start finding your root causes and getting your results right away. So I need to ask you this. What have you got to lose but your symptoms? We promise this information has the power to totally change your life. And we'll send you our client testimonials to prove it. Now, we are a small team here at True Wellness Today, so we do expect these calls to fill up fast. So if you're truly ready to take action and change your health, then we invite you to book your call today, and let's get the latest science working to help you feel better now. Click the link below and let's get your real root causes fixed together. See ya.